Hello everyone, my name is Roxana Nguyen. Today, I honor to introduce all of you this online training course about the operation management in manufacturing. This course will help you to gain the knowledge about 1. Discuss the concept of manufacturing and sources of wealth creation. 2. Explain various global shift and factor cost deflation. 3. Discuss the heritage of operations management. 4. Identify factors of scientific management and how to improve productivity. 5. Identify various product strategies and productive system types. 6. Explain the various classifications of services systems. You will take a diploma after finish this modules. So this will help you to make up your resume look better than other. If you want to develop your career path to higher position, such as director operation, manager operation, supervisor operation in manufacturing. Let us go along with you to achieve your goals easier. We develop 2 version training lesson in English and Vietnam language for Vietnamese